Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. There's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today's going to be a little something a little bit different here, guys. I'm basically just looking at the cryptos that I'm talking about all the time on this channel. You know, obviously all of the ISO 222 coins, you know, XRP, Quant, XLM, XDC. And I'm just looking at them in terms of percentages for the total crypto market cap that is potentially coming in the next bull market. And I honestly believe that there is a lot more adoption happening here. It's getting the attention of mainstream media. And I honestly believe there was the previous bull market going from a $3 trillion market cap. I honestly believe that crypto is going to at least go to $8 to $10 trillion in the next bull market. And I've worked out some numbers and I honestly think that it will work. But anyway, we've got a lot of updates today as well. And yes, I'm coming to you from home, guys, because it's just been a crazy weekend. But anyway, so basically with Ripple and XRP, I've got stuff in relation to Ethereum, potentially going to 10,000 US dollars. And there's obviously updates with the Ripple lawsuit, the SEC, there's a whole range of stuff. Chainlink as well, very, very undervalued in my opinion. And of course, XDC, very, very undervalued. So let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. This has been ridiculous so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up or watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It is down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you very much. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we do not like to lose, but you can lose money like this in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, there's just a lot to get through in terms of the news and stuff now, but this like total crypto market cap for the previously been at 3 trillion US dollars now, and I honestly believe this is the very beginnings of a bull market, as all the analysts are saying right now, and massive hedge fund managers, by the way, as well. And guys, I think that we're going to be heading to an $8 to $10 trillion market cap for the total crypto. Now, I just want to get into something in a moment, but stick with me here. Now, obviously, let's go to I can bring up my Safari here. So let's go to Coinspot. This is where I personally buy my cryptos in Australia. And we'll get to coin perspective in a minute, guys. Sorry, I'm just on my iPad right here. But anyway, let's have a look here. And obviously, sorry, guys, let me just bring this up right now. Whoop, there we go. Bring it up here. Oh, gosh, this bloody iPad, I'll tell you. I don't know why it does this. Anyway, here we go. All right. Anyway, Coinspot, this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in that coin right here, the OG Bitcoin, all right? Currently sitting at 36,000 Australian dollars today on a Sunday. Can you believe it? The markets are all over the place. We've still got all the green altcoins here at the moment, which is incredible. But anyway, link below for this, guys. And of course, do your own research. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 36K. Ethereum's at 2,500. Which is, again, I'm very, optimistic about Ethereum, but we'll see what happens if Gary Gensler decides to label it a security. It would just destroy crypto. It wouldn't surprise me. But anyway, we've got XRP at 58 cents today. You've got ADA sitting at 60. Sol's at $35 as well. Dot's at $2. Very bullish on Polkadot. Now, Chainlink, again, is up 7.40% today to $12. I'm very bullish on Chainlink, and again, it is part of the whole ISO 222 thing anyway. XLM is at 13 cents, Hedera 13 cents, Aptos at $21. ICP is calming down a little bit, $11.42, so I am up in my investment, which is insane. VeChain is at 4 cents as well. ALGO is at 40 cents. You've got Quant at $208. Now, there is a prediction for that one as well. We'll get into that in a moment. Scrolling down some other favorites, Axie's at $16 right now. Theta $1.80. Lunar Classic is down pretty much just flatlining. I mean, who knows what's going to happen with the SEC? I mean, they're just being cowboys at the moment. Chiliz as well is another one that I'm trading on my Patreon. Link is below. It's insane. Go and have a look at that. The gains are actually incredible on that one. And now moving down some other ones here, we've got IOTA at 37 cents. Neo's at $14.6. I was buying that at, I don't even want to talk about it, guys. 80 to 90% more than what it's worth now. Crazy. That's all my altcoins, by the way, and been holding Bitcoin since 2016. But anyway, moving down, we have Render at $2.72. We have Casper at 5 cents as well. And of course, another gem right here, 4 cents XDC. Very, very bullish stuff there. Backed by gold, mind you, as well. Let's go to, obviously, Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I've got the Wall Street Bull Patreon linked below. Put up all my buys, my sells, my trades. My crypto trading bots, which are doing quite well at the moment. Very, very nice stuff. Incredible gains, by the way. And I wish I had millions of dollars because I would be insanely wealthy right now if I was to have that in the bots. Anyway, Patreon link below. Again, I'll put up all my dividends as well, my dividend investing, which is very important to me because it provides cash flow, never stops. And who doesn't like cash flow, guys? It's incredible. Join up, link below. The Patreon is linked below. On the day, we have some big gainers here. Blur is one that I'm looking at as well, 16% on the day. Again, it's still down all-time 73%. So again, this one is one of the highest trading on in the market at the moment, but just be careful of that because that might get shorted as well. Filecoin, 16% on the day, which is nice, 73 on the week, 98% on the month. That is insane. Internet Computer, 4.2 on the day, 45 on the week, and 50% on the month. Crazy stuff. Moving on the graph as well. Web3, AI, I mean, the graph I've been invested in for a long time, so I'm very bullish on this project. So 7.5% on the day, still up 132% on the month, which is just insane. Another one's here, guys, obviously Polkadot. I'm very bullish on Polkadot, $7 USD. Can't complain about that. It's still insanely cheap, guys. It really is. Let me just go and have a look at the year. $22. See what I mean? Again, 27% on the month. Very, very nice. Other than that, still incredible buying opportunities in my opinion. Now, let's move on to, obviously, the news. Now, I don't know if you guys notice here, but like, I mean, I'm just talking about this article. I mean, it's 3 weeks old, but it's still relevant. It's still relevant more than anything because, again, Ripple is one of the only crypto projects out there that is partnered with the World Economic Forum. And I don't know if you guys are seeing all this push towards this 2030 plan or whatever it may be for neutral carbon, whatever you want to call it, no emissions, green energy and all this kind of stuff, and CBDCs and other things I don't want to talk about on this channel. But I mean, Brad Garlinghouse is literally sitting at the round table with Klaus Schwab, or whatever his name is, and all of the world leaders there at the World Economic Forum. So, I mean, you got to understand something about that. Like, you don't just end up there if you're not, partnering up with these people to make, the whole new financial system, guys. They're there at the round table. No other crypto project is. So let that one sink in. But I mean, look at this, guys. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain remained but a small part of the project's initiatives discussed in the workshop at the annual World Economic Forum, basically conference in the high Swiss Alps, of all places. However, an increased number of sessions focused on the sector suggests that the wider world is looking for synergies between traditional finance and decentralized finance. Now, this theme emerged from a number of interviews conducted by Cointelegraph during January's conference in Davos. Senior executives from Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, there's other people there as well from Ripple, and USDC, stablecoin from Circle, highlighted the importance of embracing solutions and systems that are creating tangible utility and value. I just put this up here because, a lot of people discredit Ripple and all this kind of stuff because they think it's a scam, but it's not. It's literally there at the round table with world leaders. Prime ministers of countries have had meetings with Brad Garlinghouse to build out their stable coins and CBDCs. Crazy. Anyway, moving on, guys. Obviously, sorry, guys. You've got Ethereum, obviously, Ripple XRP second to Bitcoin in Japan. And like, Japan's really big on Ripple as well, guys. They really are. But look at this. Ripple XRP news. Not many top cryptos have the past lived up to the expectations, while many others even failed to survive amid several waves of FUD, a lot of FUD, and market pressures. Only a few cryptos continue to maintain their pole position in the crypto market over the years. Ripple XRP is one of the few cryptos, apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, to have consistently maintained its dominance. Facts. And I mentioned this the other day in my video. It's been through 3 bear markets and it's still in the top 10, and with an SEC lawsuit again, mind you, as well. Ripple XRP is one of the few cryptos apart from Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. Despite the uncertainties around the XRP lawsuit, obviously strong community stood support for the crypto. And again, the lawsuit is in its final stages with the court yet to pronounce its summary judgment. That is coming. And on the US SEC's commission argument, and the XRP was sold in the form of unregistered securities. Anyway, moving on, guys. But Ripple and its XRP and its popularity in Japan is very bullish. So far, it was not clearly known why XRP is strong community based in Japan. The altcoins popularity in the country is on similar levels with that of Bitcoin. And of course, trumping Ethereum, which is nice, but which is only the 3rd most popular crypto in Japan. According to the study on non-performing asset cases and cryptocurrency in Japan, there are concrete reasons behind the popularity of XRP. The cryptocurrency's association with the Japanese VC firm, SBI Holdings, which has a massive position in XRP and Ripple, mind you, different company. Moving on here, guys. And the study found that the XRP was the favorite cryptocurrency for 25% of respondents, while Bitcoin's popularity stood at 26%. Ethereum stands as a distant 3rd coin in terms of popularity. And until recently, Yoshitaka Kitayo, anyway, the CEO of SBI Holdings, was part of Ripple's board of directors. SBI links with Ripple date back from 2017, and which was XRP became popular in Japan, which is insane as well. But in fact, SBI shareholders benefit in XRP made the news in January in 2023. The company had offered shareholders an incentive option of receiving benefits in XRP. What does that tell you, guys? Follow the money. Moving on, the Ripple lawsuit. Top crypto attorney reveals the SEC's only hope for a win right here. But Johnny Deaton predicted the SEC will only succeed in establishing that blockchain payments firm Ripple sold XRP as a security from 2013 and 17 in the ongoing legal battle. So it's going to be very interesting what comes out of this. But he believes that as a result of the SEC's approach, the only victory that the agency could hope to achieve is to establish basically in between those years that XRP was sold as a security. And which seems to me that anything after that, obviously, is not going to be deemed a security. And, you know, probably I think up to that point that there's going to be some sort of monetary payment that's going to be required. Other than that, I think it's an open and shut case, really. And just in general, I think the CFTC should manage cryptocurrencies and not SEC's Gary Gensler, the lizard man. Anyway, moving on, we've got the king of DeFi right here, communication. Can Quant hit $1,000 this year in 2023? I honestly believe that. And it goes back to that whole theory of the crypto market cap by percentage, because obviously Bitcoin's got 42%. We'll get into that in a second. But Quant has an incredible bullish swing since mid-2020. And like many other cryptos, Quant has been faced with instances where it dips. However, the beginning of the year saw Quant soaring in its price right here. What is the next price for Quant? Can this king of decentralized communication hit $1,000 in 2023? I believe so. What do you think about that, guys? I was just bringing this up because, again, I honestly believe it will definitely hit that. No doubt in my mind, and I think it'll be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset, mind you, as well, because, again, has a finite supply, only 14 million left in supply, which is insane as well. It's got less than Bitcoin. And of course, again, XDC backed by gold right here, but this is incredible right here. But Hong Kong, China, 26th of Jan, I'll bring this up again for those of you who are new to this, but Comtech Gold CEO are pleased to announce that they have signed a contract on January 7th, basically last month, to issue and supply gold and silver-backed tokens and on the Globiance platform XDC network right here, based on Comtech services and infrastructure. This partnership enables buyers to purchase basically GBEX and GBEXS tokens that are backed by precious metals, gold and silver in a digitized form. Bullish as anything, guys. And again, that's basically XDC right there. No one ever talks about that. And could Ethereum basically reach 10,000 US dollars? Basically, there is the Shanghai upgrade coming, guys, but can it? There is no doubt the price of Ethereum may touch $10,000, but the main question remains, is it worth pointing out that several factors have influenced Ethereum's price rallies? In its current state, cryptocurrency sector dynamics from what observed during the DeFi tokens' previous skyrocketing periods. However, there is a necessary conditions for Ethereum to reach that $10,000 value. One crucial factor would be the continued restoration of investors, basically trust in crypto market, which needs to be widespread to establish a conducive atmosphere, which is truth. And obviously, guys, Ethereum has rallied in 2023, aiming to exit the bear market from last year. In this case, the market rally is led by assets like Bitcoin, of course. But look at this, guys, the impact of network development activity. And on the other hand, Ethereum's ongoing blockchain upgrades that peaked with the shift to proof of stake, the POS, which happened last year, will remain influential in the asset's prospects as well. Analysts have also opined that the impact of the merge upgrade will be felt in the future with the asset reducing energy consumption while attempting to entice institutional investors, which again, everyone's going to be on Ethereum anyway because everyone knows it. But again, can it hit 10,000K easily? I think it can as well. Chainlink as well scores innovative new partner in $1 billion market. Can Link reach $100 in the next bull run? Overtime Sports right here, a market. AMM right here, automatic market maker, is moving to Arbitrum right here. The move comes not long after the Overtime launched on Optimism and integrated with Chainlink. What do you think about that? Let's see what happens with Chainlink. I'm very, very bullish. Now, I just want to get into this because this is something I was just looking for. But so obviously you've got the total crypto market cap, which currently it's $1.1 trillion at the moment, right? Bitcoin holds 42% of that, which again, that's basically given its market cap at the moment, so $475 billion. When, the peak of the bull market, this was at $3 trillion right now. And basically working it out like this, and I'll get my calculator out. Sorry, I'm just going to get it out now. But I mean, if you've got $10 trillion, and forgive me, so I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so, and I'm going to go multiply by 42.47%, all right? That's going to be worth 4.2 trillion US dollars, all right? So let's just go here for an example, right? And if we go to the market cap right here, guys, let me just bring this up. I'm going to say $4.2 trillion as an example. Let's just have a look. 4.2 trillion. Bitcoin would be worth $217,000 USD, which is incredible. Now, if we go back to that chart and have a look at XRP, for example, XRP has a total market share of 1.78%. So if we're going back to $10 trillion, well, basically self-explanatory if you're good at maths. But so we've got here, sorry guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10 trillion. There you go. And I'm going to multiply that obviously by 1.78%. Is that right? 1.782. All right, let's just do it, whatever. That's fine. $178.2 billion total market cap. So if we come back here, let's have a look here, guys, where this is going to be at. I think it'll be a lot higher than this, but just out of curiosity, 78. Is that billion or trillion? No, that's billion. So 78, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, dun, dun, dun. You can see it right there. Call it $1.8 billion. Is that Bitcoin? No, I want to go Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. Let's just do this. Let's go XRP. I do apologize. Let's go here. And let's type this in right here. Market cap, right? Bang. 1.8 right there. No. Bang. Billion. 35 cents. No. Sorry, guys. Let me just do this again. 1.78. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. There you go. All right, so it's basically going to be around about $3.50 back at that all-time high again, which again, it'll smash through that, in my opinion. It will soar past that. So again, this is what I'm trying to say. Like, people have the option and the ability right now, it's not financial advice, to literally make some significant gains for themselves in the next bull market. I mean, it's trading at 39 cents USD at the moment, going to $3.50. It'll shoot up to $10 to $20 easily, in my opinion. And the rest of the altcoins, well, we all know that's what's going to happen there. Anyway, let's go to, obviously, Twitter. I'm going to bring that up right here. And yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, guys. Go follow me on Twitter. It would be incredible. When I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube, I'll be giving this away live. You've got Sony partnering with Astar Network right here and Startail Labs to co-host Web3 incubation program aimed at mentoring NFT and DAO Web3 projects. That's incredible. Sony's been around for years, decades. This is crazy stuff, but Brain Implant is backed by Bezos and Gates. I don't know, man, that's a bit creepy. Crypto Rover right here, history repeating itself, which is nice. You've got Caroline Pham, who did actually visit Ripple as head office right here. Have a quick listen to this.
Complaint just been filed against Terraform Labs. What is the role of the SEC versus the CFTC? Are you feeling left out? Oh, we're very busy, so just stay tuned. But I think it's important that in the United States, we have many different federal regulators, all of whom have their important roles to play. We have the bank regulators, the SEC for the securities market, of course, and the CFTC for the commodity derivatives market. So each one does its part. And I think what you're seeing right now is a coordinated effort to really examine the risk that exists in the crypto sector and to make sure that we're using all of the tools we have available.
So let me get specific about one thing: stablecoins. Because they've been a theme through this, and we've seen, as I say, state regulation here in New York as well as federal regulation. Where are you on the question of whether they're a security or not?
So I think not all stablecoins are the same. It's really important to look at each one and see how it's structured. So this is, of course, a facts and circumstances analysis, a technical legal analysis. So there are many stablecoins that are structured as payment stablecoins, which would fall under the bank.
Anyway, I'm not going to go into all of it. Go watch it. It's incredible. But I honestly believe that the CFTC should be regulating cryptos and not the SEC. Just saying. Kathy Woods right here basically saying Bitcoin is going to $1 million. That would mean I don't even know what that would mean, an actual total crypto market cap, but I mean $1 million Bitcoin. Let's just have a look as an example. I'm actually curious. Kathy Woods, let's have a look here. Let's go to Bitcoin. And let's just have a look here for curiosity's sake. Let's just go target price. Let's go $1 million. Is that right there right now? That's 10 million upside, $1 million upside. So basically it's going to be a $19.3 trillion market cap. Mind blown. That is going to be insane. And that's 42% of the total crypto market as well, guys. Just let that one sink in for a moment. We have Johnny Denton right here coming out, but basically Mike Slang, don't sleep on the SEC's action against Quant and TFL. The complaint includes a ton of novel legal theories that can be applied to stablecoins, wrap tokens, liquidity pool tokens. They're doing this on purpose, guys. And Mike is 100%. There's a well-planned, coordinated strategy being carried out here. And the SEC is pursuing novel, dangerous theories, expanding the definition of what constitutes a security. It started with calling tokens like XRP, LBC, and Dragon, whatever, I believe that's Dragon, digital asset securities. Crazy stuff right here. Charlie Munger's lost his marbles. You've got Kevin O'Leary basically coming out and saying that BNB is absolutely useless and has nothing to back it. I don't know, to be quite honest. Charlie Munger's doing some interviews again, hating on basically Tesla and sorry, I don't even know why, but he's just bullish on his own world at the moment. Hates crypto, don't know why. And Judge, you can see here waiting for Judge Torres right here, but yes, Sam, thank you for this one. So waiting for Judge Torres' decision in the SEC Ripple case is like watching paint dry and watching grass grow. Absolute truth. Obviously, prices of luxury watches are still falling and have outperformed the returns of the stocks and cryptos, according to Morgan Stanley. Again, my personal watches have gone up like crazy and they've come back down. So who knows, guys? Moving down here, you've got a bullish interview here, but the managing director of Ripple, Brooks Entwistle, right here took a moment to speak about to a reporter about what's come to obviously coming to XRP and Ripple. Bullish on central bank digital currencies. I know Brad Garlinghouse even said they're doing property transfers now. But anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. I need to run, but let's just have a quick look at total market cap here. And we'll see what's going on again. 1.1 trillion. I believe this will skyrocket to at least 10 to $15 trillion. This is what I'm saying. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, to be quite honest with you. 42% BTC, 18% Ethereum. That will be flipped by XRP again once they get clarity and win this lawsuit. And again, where my money is flowing, guys, are the banking coins right here. Straight up. I mean, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Link, XLM, Hedera, ALGO, Quant, IOTA, Hbar, XDC, LCX, and Alliance Block, but don't know what's happening with Alliance Block at the moment. But if we go to XRP's total all time, this is going to happen again, guys, and it will soar past this $3.50 level right here, or $3.30. It'll absolutely soar past that, but that's it. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. Sorry about the long video today, but I will speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye.